In our next slide, we have computer network. What is computer network? So in any office, you will see office must have multiple computers, and each and every computers are connected with each other. So all computers are connected with each other. Every computers are connected with each other. So if I have this computer, suppose this is our computer. This is one computer, and this is one computer, and another computer is here. Another computer. So two computers can be connected using a cable, network cable. But when multiple computers exist in any office, then how they connect each other? Suppose 4 computers. So from this computer, it can connect to this computer. From here, also here, it can connect. From here, it can also connect. But can this computer connect to this computer? No, there is no line. So, okay, let's draw a line. And then can this computer connect with this computer? No. And can this computer connect with this too? Are they connected? No. I just draw a line. Let me draw a bigger line. So first these 3, and then these 2, and then this. What if company buy another computer? Then how will be the line look like? And this, and also this, and this. Company has 5 computer or more. I am a very small company also has 10, 1500 computer also in USA. So if more computer come, then how many cables we need? 6 computer, and how many cables? If we have more computer, then what will be the picture? It will be zigzag. But computer connection should not be this kind of zigzag. Of course, it should be there should be a method to connect multiple computers. Suppose one company has multiple computer. Suppose that company has 6 computer here. That company has 4 computer, and in multiple building they have that much computer. And if we are connected with cable, then it will become hotspots. So that's why to connect any computer, we need a small device, which is a router. Small device. Here is one router, and from this router, connection goes to each computer. Suppose this is one part of the office, and in another part of the office, there are 6 people using computer. So also we will have a router or switch here. And it looks organized, right? Yeah. And also here also same thing. This separate cable, all are separate cable. So this design is good. It doesn't look like Hospos as like this design. So nowadays computer network are like follow this kind of network structure topology. It is called topology, and the device is called switch. This device is called switch, and these are the computers here, and switch or router. But switch is more appropriate. Router is better than the switch. And suppose we have one software which is accounting software. In which computer I need to install? Everybody need that software to run in their system. Everybody need their software to run their run that accounting system in their computer. All employee need accounting software. Then should I install each and every computer? No, we will install it in one computer, which is called, this is one. Thank you. So it's a big computer. See, this computer is very big, thrice of the monitor size. So we install all the software, app, accounting software in this computer. It is called server, who serve the service to all other computers. So server has the connection to all the switch. Server has all the connection of the switch. Server also has a box which is called switch, and from all other switch it comes to the server. Suppose this is a company situated in Dallas downtown, and it has a server and 10-15 workstation. This is the building. So this network we will call local area network. We'll address this as a local area network. Local area network. So this is called local area network. In short, it is called LAN, local area network. We are considering it is in one premises. It can be a building floor or whole house or whole office building. All the computers are connected into server physically. It's called local area network. And it is in Dallas. Dallas downtown. Suppose this company has multiple branch in one city. So it is in, it is in Dallas, and another one is it is in Plano, And it is, next one is our city, Irving. We should not deprive our city. So our city also will grow. Irving, where we are. And it has 3 branches in a metropolitan city, in a big city. It is not a, I mean, county city, county downtown, a very small area. Dallas, I mean, Dallas Fort Worth metropolitan area is very big. And one company may have multiple branches in different places of the Dallas metropolitan city. And they are connected with wireless connection. Wireless connection means you see the dish or Wi-Fi or 4G. 4G is WiMAX. WiMAX. On the building top, one dish is there, and it is calling to other building top dish. It is communicating with other building dish without any wire. So they are connected. Long distance, 20-mile, 30-mile distance, they can connect, but within a metropolitan city. So this is also another network which is called Metropolitan Area Network, or MAN. Area Network, or MAN, M-A-N. Right? And then this company become a big company day by day, and it is planning to expand, and also its network also, it is using one software. So everybody of its branches, different cities and different countries also must use the same software, so that they need to be connected. So this is one city, Dallas metropolitan area city. And we may have another. Here is Dallas metropolitan city, and this company has another network in Houston or New York. In New York, NYC. And they also connected WiMAX. Its radius is 25 mile, 30 mile, or even 50 mile or 100 mile. But NYC, New York City, is at least 2,000 mile away. So they will no longer connected. They cannot connect with the WiMAX, whatever we write in other place. You'll see in this city, in Dallas or any city, you'll see big tower. At the top of the tower, there is a round dish. So this is called WiMAX. But in this case, it is 2,000 mile distance network. So in this case, they use what? Satellite. they contact with the satellite, and they contact with the help of satellite. Dallas and New York is like, I mean, Paris and Turkey, I mean, Istanbul. No, right? Oh, okay, whatever. So it's a very big distance. It's a wide area, very vast area, 1,000 mile, 2,000 mile. Our Earth is 24,000 mile, right? So it can be 10,000 mile or 12,000 mile at most. It is a wide area network, which is called WAN. So these are the networks currently we have in our world. Recently, we have got Wi-Fi, and those are all under wide area network, metropolitan area network, also local area network. Suppose here one person recently joined and company provide him one laptop, and it has a Wi-Fi connection. And the network engineer install one Wi-Fi router, and this laptop can connect using Wi-Fi. I mean, from here to here without cable. I mean, this laptop can connect it to the server without cable. Any place inside the office, he can connect it. So it is nowadays invention, but in background, these three networks still are working in background. At home also, we have Wi-Fi, wireless network. We have router, and let's keep it, right? Look good? So I'm going to keep it. So this is called computer network, LAN, MAN, and WAN. And recently we have got Bluetooth technology, Wi-Fi technology. This technology we know. We can connect our cell phone with TV with Bluetooth, whatever we see into the cell phone, we can see into the TV, smart TV. Okay, let's go to the next page. So here in this network, this is called workstation. Each computer called workstation. Workstation or client also. Client. So client computer, client computer, client PC, client computer. Client computer and workstation are same. Synonym of client is workstation. And one server may have thousands of clients. So this architecture is client server architecture. It is called client server, client server design or architecture. It is called client server architecture. This is server, and server can have multiple server. One is database server, file server. We'll see in the next slide later. So workstation is a simple computer. The computer we have at home, this is called workstation. It can be a desktop. Desktop is a computer. Workstation and client are same. client. Workstation and client both are same thing. And client both are same thing. So client is desktop. Client is laptop. Why it is desktop? Because we put it onto the desk. That's why it is called desktop. But it is computer. Client computer. Client computer is called. I mean, these are all client computer. What are they? Desktop, laptop. Why it is called laptop? Because we put it on our lap. That's why. Palm top also there. I mean, iPad. We put it on our palm. Cell phone is computer. It is also a computer. All are client. iPad, I mean tablet also computer. Laptop, what else? Wearables, watch, and glasses also has computer nowadays. Your glass also has computer. And it is available in Amazon and Best Buy. Glasses and watch. Huh? Watch. Huh? Watch also client, and glasses also client. All are client or workstation. But server, do we have server at home? No. We cannot have server at home. We can, but it is over expense for us. We don't need server at home. Server serves thousands of computers and thousands of customers. I mean, whoever use those computers, yeah. So server is situated in a safe place. So no other people can come into that place because lots of cables and things are there. So people do not want to make it mess up. So every company has server, and server serves hundreds of client computer. Server, different servers are there. Windows server, Linux server. These are the operating system of server. Unix server. These are the three kind of server currently we have in this world. And server has lots of cable are connected. So it is very complex thing. You see, all the computers are connected to the server. All the computers are connected to the server. See, in your back side, all these cables are computer cable, which is connected to different computers in this building. So how do they connect each other? Every computer has its name. All computer has its name. This computer name, how I can find it? If you right click on this PC, if you open File Explorer, I mean this one, if you right click on this PC, then properties, you will see this computer name. Device name. Device means computer. Device name is desktop SFAA1DR. It comes randomly. I didn't change this device name, but we can change it. Rename this PC. If I rename it, instead of desktop, I can write here Belal PC, or you may find your name in your computer if somebody rename it for you. So each computer has, each client has its name. Suppose this is A, this is B, C, D. World, each and every computer in this world has their name. Also, server also has, this server name is M, suppose. I mean, name should not like this. Suppose it is ICI server. Server name. All device has name. Then how many names we need? We have more than 1 billion device in this world. Approximately 1 billion device we have named. So how many names we need? 1 billion name. So instead of having name, I mean, besides, we also have numbers. So let ID. Suppose let me write this computer ID. This computer ID is 1, this blue color. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But in one company, how many computers, how many workstations are there? So many. 1,000, can be 1,000. In one building, can be more than few thousand. That's why they put number in a method. What kind of method? They write number from 0.0.0.0, 4, 0, 4, 0, 2, 255.255.255.255. 0 to 255. Then how many numbers are there? Total number will be 255 times 255 times 255 times 255. Then how many number we can have? Let's see. But serial number cannot exceed 255 and cannot go below 0. Minus number will not be calculated. So 0 to 255, that means how many numbers in each column? 256. So it should be 256 because it is counting 0 to 255. That means total 256. Then how many numbers we may have in 4, 294, 967, 296. 4 billion. So far we have maybe 1 billion, around 1 billion. So total 4 billion device we can assign number. So this number is called, and it is used globally. So this is our globe. If in USA one computer is, suppose it is connected using satellite, and it connected with a Japan, with a server which is situated in Japan. So this computer also has an IP address. This computer also has an IP address. And whenever it sends any data to the satellite, it tells satellite, hey, satellite, this is the data and it is for this number computer. Then satellite will send to their server. Satellite know the routing, where to dispatch those things. Satellite send those files. And it happens within a fraction of a second. You log in into any Japanese computer server, and whenever you click on submit button, it shows that yes, your application is submitted, but you send it from USA. So within a second or 2 seconds, the connection perform because they know their address. And it is vastly used in internet communication or internet protocol. So it is called, that's why, internet protocol address. In short, it is called IP address. In short, it is called IP address. So how many IP address we have? We have total this number of IP address. So scientists are worried about this number because millions of products are in progress in production. So they are coming to the market. So next few years, this 4 billion will be occupied. 4 billion number will be occupied. So they are thinking at 2 more column here. So let's multiply with this number 255 times 255. That means total 6255. So older version, current version is called IP v4, version 4, and this version, newer version, is called IPv6. This is called IPv4, and this is called IPv6, where we have 6 to 55 here, or 60 to 6 to 55, IPv6. Then we have 4 billion here, then 255 times 4, 1000 billion, 1 trillion, then 255 trillion. I'm not sure when it will be, where it will end. But we don't need that much information at this time. What is IP address? IP address is assigned each and every computer of this world. IP address. Whatever if the computer is in online, then this computer must have one IP address. If it is online. If my cell phone is online, then my cell phone must have an IP address. But if any computer is offline, just plug it into our local outlet at home, and it is not in the internet. We are writing Microsoft Word and printing that letter. That's it. Then this computer does not need to have any IP address. That computer need a private IP address. Private IP address, which is 192.168, then any number dot any number. It is called private IP address. If any computer does not need to access the internet, then that computer can have private IP address. Private IP address is like this. So IP address look like this. Look like this. Some IP address can be dynamically addressed. Once you plug in into ICI Wi-Fi. Then ICI provide you a public IP to here. So your computer will have a dynamic IP. Okay, go to the next slide. Intranet versus internet. This is important. Suppose this is JP Morgan Chase Bank, and it has Dallas office and New York office, and there is a server. Suppose it has a server in other country or other city, not in Dallas, not in NYC, here in other country, other city. It has a server which has some company information like holiday schedules and 401k stuff, company information, so that every employee can see. And this web page only for JP Morgan Chase employees only. Other person from outside of the world, from JP Morgan, they cannot see this page. In that case, this server will be connected in such a way so that only JP Morgan Chase Bank or only any certain companies employee can see that web page. No other people can see their web page. So this is called intranet. 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 This is called intranet. Intranet is a certain kind of internet activity, online activity, which is private internet. So intranet is actually internet is private internet. What is the difference between intranet and internet? Intranet is a private internet, but internet is public internet, public. Anybody can see. Suppose CNN.com. Anybody can see that page. There is no restriction. Is there any restriction? Only CNN or employee can see CNN.com? No, it has no restriction. It is open for public. That's why it is internet. But intranet, it is only for any certain group of people. Suppose employee or any certain group. So internet is public, intranet is private. Use of internet is limited, means as it is public, we cannot go each and every pages of any companies, but intranet is unlimited. Intranet is, I mean, in a sense that employee can see each and everything, whatever they're supposed to see of any company, as because it is private and only employee can access to their that site. They can give each and every thing in detail to the employee. Traffic, internet is more, intranet is less, only few employees of the company, 1,000 or 2,000, but internet is millions or billions.